Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time seeing me, my name is Danielle. Go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I'll give you a quick second. If this is not your first time seeing me, thank you so much for returning back and supporting my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. And as you guys can see, we're going straight into the video. I started off with my Calamine lotion and I placed all of that in my T-zone area, which is going to be my forehead, my cheeks, and my chin. I'm taking my L'Oreal Infallible foundation stick and espresso, and I'm placing that in all the areas that I would like to contour. I'm also going in with my Milani chestnut foundation in the color, my Milani 2-in-1 foundation in the color chestnut. And I'm placing that in all the areas that you see here with my Rena brush from Amazon. The brand is Quavage. They have some really nice brushes. I'll go ahead and leave the link to that brush set down below. As you see here, I'm spraying my face with the Milani Cosmetics matte setting spray. It's called Make It Last. It's the black one. Those setting sprays smell really good. But anywho, I'm going in with my BH Cosmetics number 4 brush. I got this brush a long time ago. I don't remember the brush set or if they even still have that available. You can always double check their website to see if it's there. But I normally use that brush for my cream contour. But I actually ended up using it for my whole entire face, which is definitely okay. All right, now so I'm going in with my Maybelline Age Rewind concealer in the color tan, and I'm just placing that under my eyes and on my nose and on my chin. This concealer is so bomb, y'all. Like for real, this concealer is really bomb. And don't let it sit and get a little extra tacky and dry, baby. Girl, your face is gonna be so snatched. That's what I'm doing here, just letting it sit. I went ahead and got my Real Techniques eyeshadow brush, and I'm just stamping my nose contour, and so I can take control of where I want that to be. All right, y'all, I'm just taking a sponge and I'm going ahead and blending out that under eye concealer that we let sit there, and I'm just spreading that on top of my lid for my base for my liner. And this sponge really does the job. Like, if y'all ever come across these wedges, grab them so you can play with them. They spread your foundation and your concealer out really well. But here I'm using my my Real Technique, no, not my Real Technique. I'm using my Black Radiance Soft Focus, what's the color? Golden Almond finishing powder, and I'm using that to set my under eye and my eyelid and everywhere else that I placed some concealer. I'm also going in with my Black Radiance, and I'm taking my Wet n Wild blush brush, and I'm placing that color in all the areas that you would want to be contoured. And I'm also using another Wet n Wild blending brush just to define my nose contour, and I'm using that same color that I did for my cheeks from the Black Radiance. This e.l.f. eyeliner is so smooth. It's so smooth. I love it. That's a good drugstore eyeliner. y'all. Okay, so I'm going in with the NYX white eyeliner, and y'all, I had the most difficult time with this because for one, it started cracking up, and then for two, it was drying out. So I had the most hardest time with it, but overall, like I said, the look ended up coming out so bomb, and I got bomb ass videos and my pictures. You know how we use Snapchat, girl, bitch. My pictures off Snapchat with them filters were so fucking lit. It was so lit. But if you want to see that, follow me on my Snapchat. All my information is going to be down below. Follow me on my TikTok. Follow me on my Snapchat. Follow me on Facebook. Girl, follow me on Instagram. Just, girl, follow me. Follow me. I know you need new people to look at. I know you need new energy, new vibes. You know, I need, you know the vibes. Go ahead and follow me. Also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Like, and all of this is free. So you get a free game from me. And all you gotta do is like, comment, and subscribe. That's it, poo. What's so hard about that? But I'm putting on these lashes that I got from Amazon. These lashes is so bomb, y'all. I'm gonna leave y'all the link too, so y'all can, I'm gonna put y'all on game on these lashes. These lashes are so bomb. I'm gonna put the link down below, okay? Look at them. I'm going in with my e.l.f. eyeliner, the No Budge eyeliner. That eyeliner is bomb too, baby. And I think it was only like $3 or $5. I'm going in with my Wet n Wild eyebrow pencil. Y'all, don't mind my daughter. She wants a YouTube channel so bad. I think I'm gonna make her one, because right there she was just introducing herself and introducing me. So y'all might see my daughter with a YouTube channel, because she really want a YouTube channel. But back to my lips. I'm lining my lips with the Wet n Wild eyeliner in sienna brown, and I overdraw my lips. Yes, I overdraw my lips. I'm using the ColourPop lipstick. I do not know the name of this lipstick or the number, but I will make sure I put it in the description bar below for y'all, okay? Y'all, thank you so much for watching. This next slide here is just going to show you the finished product. This is not what I even wear. I ain't even gonna wear because it started raining. But thank y'all so much for the love. I appreciate it. I hope y'all enjoy the rest of your day. But until the next video, love y'all. Bye.